everybody.
Speech. Introducing managing moderator.
Okay. Is it
Page. Button. Speech off.
Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Is it already afternoon in Nigeria? I think so. Is it already afternoon? Okay, I can on n'ụtụtụ. Anyị can on n'ụtụtụ. Almost afternoon. Okay. So, greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are watching me. How are you doing? How are you doing? Kekwano. Kedu ka mere? You say what? I saw see my Cross River friend though. You don't want to enter my video, okay? Don't worry, very soon we'll still enter. We'll enter, then I will interview you. Let me know how far you've gone. Try. Okay, guys, what's up? What's going on? What's popping? What's happening? Wait. Ah, are you drying the clothes with the fan? Okay. It did not dry well. It's jeans. Okay, guys, what's up? I'm not teaching anything actually. I just want to know how far with you, how far you've gone with the language, you know, how far you've gone with the Igbo learning. How is it going? If you have any challenges, observations, please feel free to comment. Yes, write it in the comment section. Any video you discovered one or two, or you have any observation or any correction, I'm open. Yes, just feel free to comment. I'm open for corrections, okay? And I just want to encourage you. Yes, very important. Just, yeah, type anything you want to. Just write comments. Later I'll reply. Hey. Like I don't speak like one particular state in Igbo. I don't want to mention. Hey, later I'll reply to your comments. Due to my site challenge, I may not be able to respond as I'm here, like respond immediately. Okay, so guys, I just want to encourage you not to give up on Igbo language. You know, in every learning, there has to be a process, right? There has to be a process before you get used to that. By learning, practicing, you know, repeating, a lot of things, a lot of tips, all these things, you need to apply them. You need to practice everything. In our watch videos, right? You practice ihemo na that video. Yes, practice makes perfect. You can practice anywhere. You can practice even with your family. You can practice with your friends. You can practice offline. Oh, yes, you can even practice while watching my videos. Okay, repeat the videos, watch it over and over again, and get used to the sounds, the pronunciations, and how to use them, where to use them. Very important. Okay, because there are some phrases when you use it where you are not supposed to use it, it will sound odd, like it will sound somehow. So that is why you have to know how to use it and when to use it. So watch all the videos all the time, like repeat. Excuse me. So repeat it, replay it over and over again, so that you get used to the sounds and the pronunciations. Of course, you can practice anywhere you are, even while cooking, while washing, while shitting. You can practice. Yes, while shitting. There are some phrases you can use in the toilet. I will still do those phrases, okay? But there are some phrases. Igbo language is not difficult. It's not that difficult, but I don't know. You may be thinking it's difficult because of the way it sounds. But when you when you practice it, okay, create time for it. Create time, very important. Create time. Your time is very, very important. It's very, very important. You understand? I'm trying to speak like American people, you know, but abụkwa m onye Igbo. Abụ m nwa Igbo, a typical Igbo lady. So your time is very important, guys. When you create time for it, okay, and then practice, repeat whatever I'm saying, then you'll be used to the sounds. It's not difficult. Yes, you can use some phrases in the toilet, you know, and when you can see not baggy like this, or maybe in a yon, then say apota. You can be like, oh, Chimo. Chimo is my God. So you see, the shit is not coming out. It's hard. It's hard to come out. You can be like, hey, Chimo. There's that the grab. Oh, Chim. Oh, Chim. So it's, oh my God. So maybe the shit no degree come out. So you are just kind of, you know, calling God to come and help you. Chuku yaremaka, yaremaka. So Igbo language is not difficult, like I said before. You just have to listen well, listen carefully, practice offline and with the videos. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? In case you are seeing this face for the very first time, please do not make it the last. And my name is Oni. The full name is Onyinye Chukwu, which means God's gift, but you can call me Oni. Yes, you can call me Oni, which means gift. So feel free to make a video request. I can see I come now, baby. It's scratching my throat. So feel free to make a video request. And yes, I take video requests. And then create the video for you. And if you need a shout out, drop in the comment section. Tell me your name and where you are watching me from. Very important. Very important. You understand? Just drop your name. Yes, I may not be able to reply to your comments right now, but I'll surely reply to them later. Okay? I'll surely reply to your comments later. Emecha come reply, yeah. That's Ingilibo. I'll soon do a video. This Ingilibo video. There are some phrases you mix with English language. This side, yes, there are some phrases you can just mix English. You be like, "Weterem phone." Phone is English, but if you want to go, if you want to just as in add the Igbo word, weterem ekwentem. So weterem phone means get me my phone. Weterem phone, get me my phone. So it's actually in Igbo. You see, bia here. So already you know here is eba now. So bia here. So it's in Igbo mixed. You understand? So I will do that video. Don't worry. I've gotten a lot of comments that I should do it, but I will do it. Alright guys, I'm just encouraging you not to give up on Igbo language. You know, when you are trying to get used to something, you have to go through a process, of course. You have to go through one or two. You can't just come up. You can't just wake up and then you learn something. No, you have to practice it over and over again. You have to practice it. You have to make use of the phrases, use of the words, use of alphabets, because with alphabets you know how to join your words, right? So I will still do a separate video on alphabets. I've gotten a lot of comments, especially from our let me say my wives. Yes, like non-Igbo indigenes married to Igbo land. Yeah. So when you know the alphabets very well and how to pronounce them, you know how to use them. I've gotten comments like some persons say they don't know how to pronounce who is KW, who, and how to pronounce nye, how to pronounce we, how to pronounce nye. So it would sound so sweet and interesting. Yeah, trust me, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. So anything you want, make sure to put it in the comment section. If you need a private lesson, my email address is here on my channel. Okay, send me a mail or an email so that we'll take it up from there. I hope you are understanding. Okay, now what I let's come and say hi to my viewers now. Eh? Okay, she's doing shakara. She's doing okay, it's alright. I just want to end the video, but if you're coming, then I can still.
Hi.
She's shy. Come and speak Igbo for them now. Come and speak Igbo, Jari. Come and teach them. Come and teach your Igbo people. You say what? Apugaka.
Ishina something.
Ishina what?
I don't know. Ishina.
Ishina Sagi.
I don't know, but Ishina something. I don't know how to say it.
Ishina Wagi. What do you want to say exactly in English?
Anything. So something is doing
your head. Or is it, you know that Ishi is head? Or Isi? You know, in English, in Enugu here, we call Isi Ishi. Okay. Yeah, these are dialects, different dialects, right? But the central, this thing is Isi. Central pronunciation, yes. Isi, I-S-I. Okay. So you want to say Isi is doing you what? Abi Ishi is doing you. Are not speaking Enugu, Ishi. Okay, Ishi. Because you're already in Enugu now, so Ishi did. We're putting you spit in your mouth. Okay, Ishi is what now? What do you want to say to Ishi? Your head is what? I say it in English.
Maybe my head is paining me.
Okay, Ishi na wam.
Ishi na wam. Okay.
I'm getting this thing. Ishi na, you are getting it, ba? Thank you. I'm glad you are getting it. All right, guys. I hope you come out very well. So they will see you.
Come out well. Ishi na wam.
Okay. Jessica is from Cross River and she's trying to learn Igbo as well. And she's trying. Yeah, she's really trying. She's really trying. And I'm happy she's grabbing it. You know, she can now say Ishina Wam. Ishina Wam is I'm having headache. Ishi. I'm having a headache. Alright, guys. See you some other time. Oh my God. Take care. Mwah.
Speech on. Finish. Button. Cancel. Button. End. Button. End. Button. Cancel. End. Button. End. Button. End. Button.